Hello, thank you for calling Apex Support Services. I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling to reschedule my appointment.
Absolutely, I can help with that. Could you please give me the phone number associated with your account?
Yeah, it's 415-202-8894.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your number is 415-202-8894. Is that correct?
Yep, that's the number.
Awesome. Thanks for confirming. I see your current appointment is set for tomorrow at 10 in the morning. When would you like to reschedule it for? Any specific day or time in mind?
I need to move it to next week.
No problem. Next week is pretty open. I can offer you Tuesday at 2 in the afternoon or Wednesday at 11 in the morning. Which one works better for you?
Can we go with Wednesday at 11, please?
You got it. I've moved your appointment to Wednesday at 11 in the morning. You'll get a confirmation text shortly. Anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day. If you need anything else, just give us a call. Take care.
Thanks, bye.
The last mile of AI is broken. Conversations are automated, but the actual work still falls on humans. 47% of support tickets aren't bugs, they're configuration requests. Launching an AI agent still takes hours of manual work. Operating it takes even more. Meet Synthflow Aurora, the AI operator for agents. From a simple brief to a live agent. Describe the workflow, upload your docs, and Aurora sets it up end to end. Need to make a change? Aurora identifies every affected agent and prepares the update in one go. Aurora catches issues before your customers do. It reviews real conversations, spots where outcomes break down, and generates test scenarios to validate fixes before they impact performance. Missed intents and failed flows become clear, prioritized fixes. Aurora handles the operational work behind every Synthflow agent. Less manual configuration, more work gets done. Try Aurora now.